We're going Asian inspired today with my spicy chicken wraps. Super healthy, super quick, and makes a great appetizer or a light lunch. Heat a tablespoon and a half of oil in a wok and add chopped chicken breast. Cook for about 5 or 6 minutes until starting to brown. Meanwhile, remove the outer leaves from 3 baby gem lettuce. Give them a good rinse and pat dry. Add sliced mushrooms and julienne carrot to the chicken and stir together. Chop a fresh red chilli, I like to use Fresno chilies, and add to the wok, along with garlic and ginger. Stir and cook for another minute. Now add 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce and a tablespoon and a half of honey. Let the sauce bubble for a minute or 2 until thick and glossy. Spoon the Asian chicken into the prepared lettuce leaves. Top with fresh chilli slices, spring onions and sesame seeds before serving.